Have an old pair of jeans? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to transform a simple pair of jeans into a beautiful wrap top. You don't need to buy new fabric at Anthony. If you love sewing, let's get started. For this project, I'm using a pair of pink denim jeans, but you can use blue, black, white, or any color you prefer. Before cutting, take your bust measurement. My bust measurement is 38 inches, so I'll divide that by 4, which gives me 9.5 inches. The length of my wrap top will be 18 inches, but you can adjust yours depending on how long you want the top to be. Always add about 1 inch for seam allowance. Cut both legs along the inseam. Open the fabric and press it flat. Mark your front and back pieces. Use your bust measurement. Shape the front into a V-neck. Place the 2 front pieces on top of the back piece. Overlap the front sections by about 4 to 6 inches. This overlap creates the wrap style and helps form the V-neck line. Pin everything together. Take pieces to your machine. First, join the shoulder seams. Next, sew side seams carefully. Denim is thick, so sew slowly. Press all seams flat for a cleaner finish. Using the remaining denim, cut 2 strips. Fold each strip in half and sew along the edge. Turn them right side out and press flat. Secure them with multiple stitches to hold the wrap top in place. Now finish all raw edges using your preferred method. You can fold and hem the edges or use a serger if available. Give the entire garment a final press. And just like that, your old jeans have been transformed into a beautiful wrap top. This is proof that you don't always need expensive fabric to create stylish outfits. With a little creativity and sewing skills, you can turn unused clothing into something fashionable and unique. Let me know in the comments what fashion transformation you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching Gloria Anthony, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.